How to get truck insurance in USA. Coverage for all your bus tech needs. These are approximately 3.6 million truck drivers in the United States working for more than 7 lakh 11,000 trucking business with that many trucks traveling on our roads. It's no wonder that there is need to find the best commercial truck insurance possible like personal auto insurance. Commercial truck coverage can provide a blend of liability, collision and comprehensive coverage unlike personal auto coverage, though commercial truck insurance needs higher coverage limits to account for a heavier and more valuable vehicle as well as the cargo they haul. To help you find the best commercial truck insurance in the United States, we shop around with 10 different carriers. After looking at price, availability, consumer certification and coverage option, we compile the following list. Read on the to see which commercial truck insurance received our top picks. The best commercial truck insurance 2021. Best overall progressive century, the Hartford Covered State Farm. With the largest market share among US commercial insurance carriers plus a variety of trucks covered and multiple discounts available, Progressive is an easy choice for the best overall commercial truck insurance carrier. Top commercial vehicle insurance in the US available in all 50 states, offer free state and federal insurance fillings, variety of discounts, covers wide range of trucks. History of consumer complaints, will need to work with an agent. Available fleet size is limited to radius. Travel radius may apply according to the Insurance Information Institute. Progressive is the largest commercial auto insurance in the United States, providing coverage to more than 12 of the overall market. They offer commercial truck policies in all 50 states with coverage available for a variety of vehicles, including box trucks, tow trucks, tractor trailer, dump trucks, steamer trucks, garbage trucks, delivery trucks, and even ice trucks. Progressive snacks our top sport for the best commercial truck insurance thanks to the range of coverage and features offered. Not only does this carrier provide online quotes and flexible coverage and payment options, but it also provides expert support for commercial truck customers. Progressive provides a specialized heavy truck claims service and offers both state and federal insurance claims for free issue within 48 hours. Truck insurance through Progressive includes general liability, bodily injury, and personal property. Comprehensive collision insured, uninsured motorist medical payments, and personal injury protection. A BIP additional coverage include motor cargo, trailer interchange, rental reimbursement with downtime on trucking, liability, and fire and left option. Progressive provide discount for things like business experience, travels with CDL certification, electronic logging device, paying in full, signing up for EFT autoplay, bundling coverage with the personal vehicle insurance, or building a package. Online quotes are offered, but you will need to work with an agent to buy the right policy for your company. Claims can be filed over the phone anytime with agents available 24/7. Progressive was founded in 1937 and currently holds an A+ period financial strength rating from AM Best. According to data from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, Progressive received an above average number of consumer complaints in 2018, 2019, 20. So many carriers offer coverage for large business and trucking fleets. Century is a carrier that focuses heavily on single truck customers. Their level of personal services and industry expertise at our node for owner operators and business with just one truck. flexible coverage options available in all 50 states, specialized in coverage for owner operators and personal use liability. Limited online information need to work with a logical agent, smaller company.